Hello, beautiful souls. Ooh, today is the 12/12 energy portal activation. It's very exciting. It's like the beginning of an energy avalanche through the Gemini full moon next weekend into the 12/21 Winter Solstice Portal. Big stuff. So today is all about higher belief systems, right? Higher activations. So whether you've been awakened or you're just becoming awakened to really what's going down in the 3D matrix in the physical world and the power struggles, but also to all of your innate divinity and your wisdom and your consciousness and your energetic, I want to say potency or empowerment, right? So it's like moving from that, from the awakened state into the ascension and higher consciousness activation. So I'm here to invite you to a couple of amazing, powerful events where some exquisite beings are already coming together to hold the space in order to make quantum shifts and leaps in our healing and in our multidimensional experience and in the frequency of this collective. We have the Gemini Full Moon Cacao Gathering coming up next weekend, and right afterwards, get ready. We are going astral. We are gathering strength from our Pleiadian guides and moving into astral travel and planes to solidify the awakening and expansion and ascension that is available to tap into right now together. And we're gonna ripple it out into this planet. So DM me or hit me up at therawandwildhearts@gmail.com if you'd like to join in either or both events, because we have been building this energy for weeks now together, and we'd love to have your contribution, because this is our birthright of wellness, of robust health, of joy, of ease, of manifestation and abundance, of co-creation. I cannot wait to see you there. This feels big. Peace and love, y'all, from Lori.